Welcome to Recipes for You. Today, we're diving into amazing natural remedies to help you banish gray hair and reclaim your youthful, vibrant shine. We'll use simple ingredients that are likely in your kitchen, bringing you safe, effective, and chemical-free hair care solutions. Join us as we harness the power of nature to rejuvenate your hair and reveal its natural beauty. Our first ingredient is a humble potato, an unexpected hero in our hair care routine. We'll use both the potato and its nutrient-rich peels in this transformative recipe. First, peel the potatoes and set the peels aside. They hold the magic we'll unleash for your hair. Place the potato peels in a pot, ready to infuse them into a powerful hair tonic. Add enough water to cover the peels, then bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Allow the peels to cook on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes, extracting all the goodness from them. While they simmer, slice the peeled potatoes as demonstrated, preparing them for the next step. We love to know more about our viewers. Tell us where you're watching from in the comments below. Once the potatoes are sliced, blend them into a smooth paste that will be the base of our hair mask. Strain the blended potatoes to remove any chunks, leaving a silky, smooth mixture. Now, add 1 egg yolk to enrich the mask with protein and moisture. Blend everything together until the mixture is well combined and ready to nourish your hair. Enhance this nourishing mask with a tablespoon of olive oil, renowned for its moisturizing properties. Follow that with a tablespoon of honey, which will add shine and softness to your locks. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly to create a rich, creamy hair mask. Apply this mask to your hair, ensuring full coverage from roots to tips, once or twice a week. Let the mask work its magic for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off and moving on to our next step. The cooked potato peels should now be ready. Allow them to cool before straining. Strain the liquid through a sieve to separate the peels, leaving a nutrient-rich tonic. Pour this potent tonic into a spray bottle for easy application to your hair. Use this spray daily, applying it evenly over your hair to promote strength and shine. Allow the tonic to sit on your hair for 20 minutes before washing it out with your favorite shampoo. You can store this tonic in the refrigerator, keeping it fresh for your daily hair care routine. Now, let's prepare a natural hair oil to combat hair loss and strengthen your roots. Start with 10 to 12 fresh bay leaves, known for their stimulating properties for the scalp. Crush the bay leaves gently with your hands to release their natural oils and essence. Place the crushed bay leaves into a saucepan, preparing them for infusion. Next, take one red onion, peel it, and set the peels aside. These will boost circulation in your scalp. Add the onion peels to the saucepan with the bay leaves for a potent blend of nutrients. Include 1 tablespoon of green tea, which is rich in antioxidants and helps promote healthy hair growth. Pour in 200 milliliters of olive oil, the base of our hair oil, known for deeply nourishing the scalp and hair. Heat the mixture on low for 10 minutes, allowing the ingredients to infuse their properties into the oil. Once done, let the oil cool to a comfortable temperature before we move to the next step. While the oil is cooling, we'll prepare a revitalizing hairspray using red onion. Slice the red onion into thin pieces, which will form the base of our hairspray. Place the onion slices in a saucepan, ready to be infused with other powerful ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of green tea, known for its scalp-soothing and hair-strengthening properties. Pour 300 milliliters of boiling water over the onions and green tea, creating a nourishing brew. Let the mixture simmer for about 5 minutes to extract all the beneficial nutrients. Once the oil has cooled, strain it to remove the solid ingredients, leaving you with a pure, infused oil. Apply this oil to your scalp and hair, massaging it gently to stimulate circulation and absorption. Leave the oil on your hair for about 30 minutes to let it deeply nourish and strengthen your strands. Afterward, rinse your hair with shampoo, leaving it soft, shiny, and revitalized. Use this nourishing oil twice a week to maintain strong and healthy hair. Store the remaining oil in a cool, dark place. It will stay potent and effective for up to 6 months. Next, let's finish our hairspray. Allow the onion and tea mixture to cool down. Strain the mixture using a fine sieve to remove the onion slices and tea leaves. Pour the strained liquid into a spray bottle for easy daily application to your hair. Spray this revitalizing solution onto your hair, letting it sit for about 30 minutes before rinsing. Let's move on to our next recipe, using the natural power of cloves to color gray hair organically. Start by grinding a handful of cloves in an electric grinder to get a fine powder. Transfer the clove powder to a bowl, which will form the base of our organic dye mixture. Next, add 1 spoon of instant coffee to enrich the color and give a deeper tone to your hair. Follow this with 1 spoon of pure cocoa, enhancing the natural color and providing extra richness. Add a little water to the dry ingredients, mixing until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. Apply this natural dye to your hair, covering all gray areas, and leave it on for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, rinse your hair thoroughly. You can wash it naturally or use your favorite shampoo and conditioner. With regular use, this organic dye will color your gray hair effectively, without any harmful chemicals. Apply this dye once a week, and over time, you'll notice your hair becoming darker and more vibrant naturally. Thank you for watching this natural hair care guide. We hope these recipes help you achieve the hair of your dreams. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips and recipes. See you in the next video. Remember to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest natural remedies and beauty tips.